If you want to see all the students that have registered to any of your classes, what you need to do first is click on the Reports tab, expand the menu, and then click on Training Report. The system will take you to the Training Report page. What you want to do next is click on Select a class and choose one. For this example, I'm going to choose the 8-hour pre-assignment class. Now, you want to select a class start date. You can choose from a previous class or an upcoming one. For this example, I'm going to choose the June 18th one. Have in mind that it is necessary to select a class start date because if you don't, the system will show you all the students from the beginning of times. Once you pick your class start date, you will click on Search. The system will show you all the students that will attend this class or that attended that class. Steams Online also offers you the option of exporting this data into Excel. The only thing you have to do is click on Export Data to Excel button, and there you go. It will automatically download into your computer. Hope this tutorial was useful for you, and thank you for watching.